Hi there everyone, this is Tracy from Lavinia Stamps and welcome back to another tutorial today. We are going to be using one of our sticker stencils. We've got our lovely little bird here. We've got our multivarious card, a number of different colours, mermaid, violet chalk, and we've got the russet orange. I've got the Versafine Clair for stamping. Number of different mini stamps, some stencil brushes. I've got two different sizes, so that's a number 7 and this one is a number 3. Let's see how we get on. First of all then, I'm going to take the centre out because I'm using the outer edge. Now when you've finished with your sticker stencils, you can just store it back onto this sheet. But of course, as you know, if you wash these, the stickiness will always come back anyway. So it will last quite a while. So I'm going to line that up in the centre there. Give that a good press down. And then I'm going to cut a few strips. Now they can be as thin or as thick as you like. Okay, so I've stuck with the thinner ones. So I've got the very edge here. I've kept that to make it nice and easy to just pull off. And I'm going to pop that down and we're going to do the same thing again, so just peel that off. And there it is. So now we're going to use some of these fabulous colours. Let's start with the mermaid blue. So using the stencil brush, I'm going to take a little bit of that ink off first and then transfer that over. Pop the lid back on, and actually we'll go with the russet orange first. So russet orange, and then we're going to bring that in the middle. And then moving on to the violet chalk. And there we go. Next up are mini stamps on a block. So I'm taking this, might go for the warm breeze. So ink up, and then we're just going to pop those down like so. And then we'll change that, and we've got a little berry stamp here. And colour wise, let's go with the Shady Lane. And then lastly, we've got another little flourish here, and we're going to use the Twilight for this one. So it's quite a dark colour, so just tread carefully with it to start with. Yeah, so I'm going to take a little off that first, just so it's not too dark. And there we go. Okay, so we've finished with the stamps, finished with the Versafine, and now we'll go back to some of these lovely colours. Let's go with the mulberry. And I'm going to work my way around the edge. And all I'm doing is just defining that line all the way around. And this will just make it stand out that much more again. And in the middle we shall go with Merlot, which is a little bit more pink. And then lastly, I think we're going to go with the graphite. And I'm covering the foot completely, just to make it stand out. I might even just pop a little of this grey, the graphite, on the edges of the other sections as well. Again, just to give it that real depth of definition. Make it stand out that much more again. So I've finished that. I'm going to grab these masking strips now, tear those off. And let's go with the russet orange. I'm going to pop that over the top. Of course you don't have to. If you want to keep it white, that's fine. I just found it a little bit stark when I did it. Put a little bit of depth on the very edges again, and it just gives that illusion of it being a little bit more three-dimensional. And there we go. So let's see what we've got. And there we go. Do you know what? I think that would make such a fabulous Christmas card. You know, if you use some berries and some holly, and use sort of Christmas colours, a bit of glitter, I think it would look fabulous. So I think to finish off now, all I'm going to do is I've got my, which colour have we got? Raspberry here, raspberry liquid pearls, but you don't have to use that. You can use any colour, or if you wanted to just put glitter on, that would be fine too. Have a play and experiment, see what you come up with. And I don't think I'm going to do anything more to that. I think we are going to leave that there. Anyway, there we go guys. I hope that you've enjoyed today's tutorial, and I hope it's inspired you to have a go yourselves. I'd love to see what you do. You take care, and I will see you very soon. Bye for now.